Myself, and I'm from the PG Department of Biosciences, Bangalore, and here I have enrolled for the advanced certificate course on the advanced characterization technique to determine the different materials. So I enrolled in this course to learn something new, and it was 100% fulfilled because me being from a biology background was not aware of very many techniques that are being used commonly for the characterization of different materials and what are the composition of the different materials, such as how the porosity of material is measured, or the density of material, the elasticity of material, or the chemical composition of the materials. So it was overall good experience. Me personally, being from biology background, I was aware of many instruments such as spectroscopy, like FTIR, UV visible spectroscopy, but here I also got to know about the Raman spectroscopy, which was awarded as the Nobel Prize. So I feel opportunity to be exposed to certain instrument, and also I have always studied about the scanning electron microscopy in theory and have always seen it in the pictures. But here I got the chance to see right in front of me how it works, and also kind of hand-on how to operate that instrument, how critical and sophisticated it is to operate and handle that instrument. And also, along with the theoretical and practical aspects of the course, I also got to learn about or have the hand-on experience on the computational aspect, which is in more demand right now, as how we cannot directly make the medicine, but to make it in the computer first and test if it is capable of having good results or not. And if I talk about the faculty, they are very approachable, very understanding. Overall, it was a very good experience to enroll here.